Can viral content really drive lasting change, or is development communications getting lost in the scroll? Likes, shares, hashtags, viewing hours are all hallmarks of success for new media. But are those compatible with the long term goals of development communications, or are we just chasing noise? To answer, we first need to know what development communications is. It's communications that uplift the majority of people. Economically, yes, but also in terms of health, peace and order, rights. Basically, communications that aim to uplift the quality of life of everyone or majority of the people. As different forms of technology and media develop, and as development paradigms shift, the ways that we communicate for development also changes. But what remains constant is this: any form of communication, any type of media can be used for social development, as long as the purpose is to uplift the lives of people, as long as the communications assets or channels or media retain the attributes of development communications, being pragmatic, practical, based on scientific outlook, mass oriented, relevant, and in values empowerment, entrepreneurship, environment, and equity. Development communications prioritizes community and sharing of knowledge. And all these can be true for new media. All these can be true for new media, which simply means they are digital and enabled by connection to the internet. Today, this include blogs, streaming services, social media platforms, and podcasts. New media's defining features are interactivity, immediacy, and enables a wide range of people to consume and create content. They're great for user interaction and formation of community, which, incidentally, are all hallmarks of development communications. So, TikTok used to raise awareness about the importance of testing for HIV? Check.
concoctions,
Facebook video
and
showcasing
you'll
tips
only need
for
minimal
farmers on
external
organic
inputs like
agriculture?
molasses
Check, check.
and
Podcast about sustainable inclusive cities? Check. Netflix services about the ways to live healthier and longer? Check.